Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. Yesterday I explained you how to wait for the setups, where to initiate the right trade. Similarly, I took one more example about the prediction for the next day, which is National Aluminium. Okay, during my explanation, I do mention about accumulation and distribution. When the distribution is going to happen after the consolidation. Okay, if the stock is gap down like this. Couple of videos I have covered the same thing. Okay, in intraday, most of the time day high, day low. Okay, previous day close, previous day low. These things only very important levels. Okay, even in the last video also, I told you when the price is gap down like this, when the price is gap down, there will be some retracement back to the this level. Okay, this level or this level of retracement or full retracement, whatever the retracement is there. Okay, if this retracement is not able to continue further, that means not able to continue further means definitely it is going to come back to this area. Okay, so this is where your opportunity. National Aluminium. Okay, it had the huge gap down. It had the huge gap down and immediately it bounced back. Okay, candle closed here where it has the consolidation. Previous day consolidation was there. That means, let's say previous day price was like this. Suddenly gap down happened. Okay, price what happens? It is going to retest, right? Gap down, retest. Again, it comes back. Okay, this is how the price action. Once it reaches to this retest area, we can initiate the trade by having the little stop loss. Okay, day high or previous day close, something like that is the stop loss and trade with the trend. This is how we wanted to trade. In in the National Aluminium, same thing happened. Okay, and also few more stocks I do mentioned. One more strategy. What I mentioned was when the market having the gap up. Okay, previous day traded here. Market having the gap up. Okay, went up, went up. It retraced back to the this level. Okay, the probability of going up and making the new high is very less. This is what last couple of videos I mentioned and I traded actually. See, I most of the time, if you see the way of learning and the way of trading, right? My case, whatever I do, the same thing only I am going to put into the public platform. Okay, I never hide anything or I never say anything wrong. Okay, and also the moment if I release for the public, at least I wanted to trade. Okay, 3 to 5 trades so that okay, if really somebody is following me, really they will get the conviction and they will start practicing. That is the intention behind making the same concept with multiple trades. Okay, I can trade any pattern. Okay, but I wanted to show you. So this was the yesterday's topic, how to wait for the particular setup. Okay, if the stock opens here, went here and retraced back to this area, probability of going up is very less. So in this area, if you catch, okay, we can aim for the off retracement or even sometimes full. Okay, trailing stop loss or something you can make it. Okay, if you create the position and hold for 1 week to 10 days, definitely this gap is going to fill. This is how my observation. Okay, or it may have the long consolidation. If the trend is newly initiated, that means it is not extremely ran up. That time it will go for the consolidation 2 3 days and the breakout, and again it makes the next high. Okay, if it is already extremely ran up, then it will have the consolidation and breakdowns. That's what Serum Finance I mentioned and I traded. Now National Aluminium is one of the stock I traded in the downside. Okay, this is one more stock, the Bharat Dynamic, I think BDL. Okay, this pattern is in the Bharat Dynamics. Okay, other pattern is in the National Aluminium. Let me take you to the chart. Okay, before going into the chart details, this is the standard disclaimer. Okay, please be mindful of it. Okay, let us go to the chart. This is the chart. Okay, in the chart, if you observe, right, okay, this is the 5 minute chart. Okay, for the visualization, for showing you the visualization, the first candle, what is the open price? The open price is here. You can see the open price 263. 263. This is the open price. This is the low. Okay, this is the high. This is the close price, right? This is the close price. That means stock opened here and continuously running up like this. If you go to the some lower time frame, you can see it. Okay, or even 1 minute time frame. If you put the 1 minute time frame, you clearly see it. Okay, opened here, continuously it went up. What I mentioned. Okay, the consolidation, whatever the previous day consolidation was there, gap down, it retested back. It is intended to come back to this level. Come back to this level. Okay, this is how we can hold. Okay, this is how we can hold here. It tests your patience. That's all. But finally, it is going to reach here. Many times I observed it. Okay, this is the National Aluminium. The moment comes here. Okay, what is the timestamp? You can see the 918. Okay, 918. The next candle is 920. 920 candle. Okay, here 920 candle is there. This is 1 minute. Okay, just for the visualization purpose, I changed it to the 1 minute actually. It is I trade on the 5 minutes candle actually. So here I initiated the trade. Okay, till this point. Till this point I captured within a single candle. I captured whatever it is. Okay, and also today somehow I feel like okay, I don't want to trade. I need some rest. That is where uh, I am not having the that much enthusiasm or that much interest to trade today. That is the reason I didn't trade aggressively. Okay, even though this is where, right? Okay, when it retraces back, okay, probability of going up is very less. So definitely, since here, okay, this is the consolidation. Okay, it retest back, it came up again, it went, took the stop losses, came down. Okay, so this is the first trade opportunity. I got it. I traded this area. Again, the second opportunity I traded till this some region. I wanted to capture some amount, 1,000, 2,000, or with one lot only. Today I'm not having the much mood to trade actually. Let me take you to the 921. The first candle, the premium is 550 rupees. Let me see. 267.5 C. Okay, this was the 570. See, 579 is the high. So 579, I put some random number. I put as a stop loss 1 rupee, just 1 rupee, because I started with 550. Okay, 650 or 680, 1 rupee 20 paisa. So I wanted to get the 1 rupee 25 paisa from here. 1 is to 1 only. So 550 I sold and 420. That means 1 rupee 30 paisa I captured in this. Okay, the BDL timestamp, okay, 10:14. Okay, let me see you the 10:14 what happened in the BDL. Okay, this is the 10:15 candle, right? 10:15 candle. Okay, before this there is a shooting star, the green shooting star 10:14 itself I initiated. Then it went up and came back here. Okay, in this region, how many points? 10 points captured. Okay, this was the 10 points. That means in the options 4 to 5 points we will get it. Okay, one lot I traded only with one lot. Okay, only with one lot. 34.5 to 31. That means how much? 3.5. So 1,000 rupees I got it here. Next one more trade after the stop loss hunt. Okay, probability of going up is very less. So even if it goes right, that is going to be the stop loss only. I know that. Okay, that's what. Interestingly, if you see right here, you see VDL. Let me show you. Next, 1640, right? BDL 1640. Let me open. 35 is the day high. Okay. What is my entry? 34 is my entry. Such a accurate trade I initiated. Okay. With so much confident. 34, 35 is the day high. What is the stop loss? Just randomly, I always keep some 10 points is the stop loss. 10. See, most of the time, what happens in this kind of, 1,000 to 2,000 rupees price stocks, right? Many people keeps a 10 points as a stop loss. So, institutions, if they push the 10 points up, right, they will get almost all the positions. That's what, never keep the 10 points. Okay, either you can keep the 6 points or 12 points. This was even in earlier videos also I mentioned. That is where I always keep just for the in case if we go out or if we go away from the system. Okay, there could not be a much losses. To avoid the losses, we must keep some stop loss. Okay, this is not the real stop loss. So 34, here also I captured the 4 points. This is how I captured. Okay, these are the already existing positions. Okay, BDL I captured. Okay, 1100 rupees one time, 1300 rupees one time, and National Aluminium 4500. Overall 7,307. Okay, let me show you the contract note. Okay, 217 is the charges. Okay, 217. If I this 300 goes for the charges, 7,000 rupees I'm going to get in this trade. Okay, so I always wait. Okay, you can say, so, Mr. Madhu, you know that okay, it is going to test in this area. Okay, the problem here is sometimes, okay, since sometimes it will go back to the 30% only and immediately it comes back. Okay, this is the cycle we can say. Always comes here, goes here, comes here. Okay, this is what the market moves, right? Retracement, make the next low. Okay, this is what the market makes, right? Some retracement. This retracement can be 30%, 50%, or even 75%, 100% retracement. Okay, this when it is having the 100% retracement, making next high is very difficult. Okay, even if it tries to make, that is going to be a stop loss, and after that definitely it will be having heavy correction. Okay, that's what happens. Okay, even in Muthoot Finance, I thought of trying in the Muthoot Finance here. After the upper circuit, I waited for longer time, but I told you right. I don't want to trade much today because the three trades are over for the day. After that, I attempted at 84, 84 rupees, but not getting the conviction. So maybe to coming 1 or 2 days I am going to use this Muthoot Finance is the my reversal trade. Okay, that's all, friends. Thank you so much. Okay, trading looks like if we keep on doing the same thing, okay, and having the good probability calculation, that works out. I feel. Okay, thank you so much.